Hi, I'm Raheli, and this is Living Life Simply. On this channel, I share a variety of simple, nutritious, delicious vegan recipes. I share information on why going vegan is the best choice you can do for yourself, the earth, and the animals, as well as share my zero waste and minimalistic lifestyle. If you're interested to learn about any of these topics, make sure to subscribe to this channel and join the community. There is a new video every Saturday. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a recipe for a plain flavored and chocolate flavored chia puddings. They are super easy to make. The plain one only takes 3 ingredients, the chocolate flavored one only takes 4 ingredients, and it is a perfect breakfast or snack. And I absolutely love having chia seed puddings. So if you've never tried it, I hope you give it a try. And without further ado, let's get into the recipe. To prepare the chia pudding, you will need a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of plant-based milk of your choice. I use the homemade almond milk, which I will link the recipe for up here as well as in the description below, and 15 to 20 stevia drops. And that will change depending on how sweet or not you want your chia pudding to be. For the chocolate flavored chia pudding, you will need the same ingredients as well as an additional tablespoon of raw cacao powder. To prepare the chia puddings, you will need an airtight container. I use mason jars, but you can do whatever works best for you. To prepare the plain flavored chia pudding, add to a mason jar the chia seeds, plant-based milk, and 15 to 20 stevia drops. And to prepare the chocolate flavored chia pudding, I do the same, but I also add in the cacao powder as well as about 25 to 30 stevia drops because the cacao powder makes it more bitter, so I like to add more stevia than to the plain one. Then I close the containers and shake it well to make sure that the chia seeds don't stick to the bottom of the mason jar, and I leave it on my counter for 30 minutes or so, shaking it every 5 to 10 minutes. And this way it becomes firmer every time, and I make sure that the chips are spread throughout and don't go and sink to the bottom. Then, once the 30 minutes are up, I pop them in the fridge overnight, but if you want it for the same day, it should be good after a few hours. The next morning, I take the chia puddings out of the fridge, and as you can see, they have set and they are pretty firm. And then I like to top it off with fruit, coconut shreds, cacao nibs, peanut butter, and different nuts and seeds. Today, I used almonds, and if I'm having the chia pudding at home, I like to pour it into a bowl and then add the delicious toppings on top of it. But many times I take it on the go, so what I do is I create kind of a parfait in a mason jar. I put a layer of chia pudding, then a layer of toppings, then another layer of chia pudding, another layer of toppings, and the final layer of chia pudding and toppings. Then I close the lid and pop it in my bag, and it is a perfect to-go breakfast or snack. When I was in university, my mom would prepare this for me to go all the time, and I loved it. You can decide to triple or quadruple this chia pudding recipe, and that way stock up in your fridge on chia pudding parfaits to go and have them ready in the morning when you need to leave to school or work, and it is perfect. As you saw, it is super simple to make. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Comment below if you give it a try, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!